Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring the bell icon for more update. I upload videos on daily basis. Today I'm going to tell you 6 types of blogs and also tell you how to start. When starting a blog, one of the most common questions you might think of is which are the most popular types of blog. There are many different types of blogs covering a wide range of topics, interests, and audiences. For a successful blog, you need to plan ahead and choose the niche that works for you. In this video, we will share the most popular types of blogs that you can start right away. What should you blog about? To decide the niche of your blog, you need to know about your passion. Every niche has its own audience who search for content related to their interests. Writing about your passion helps you continuously come up with great content ideas as your blog grows. You don't just need to plan for content. You also need to choose a WordPress theme, optimize for SEO, and improve performance of your site. These are the tasks that are not directly related to writing but equally important for the success of your blog. Let's take a look at the most popular types of blogs that exist. 1. Fashion blogs. Fashion blogs are one of the most popular types of blogs on the internet. It's a big industry with a huge global audience. Fashion bloggers get invited to major events, receive special perks, merchandise, and even business deals by top fashion brands. These types of blogs are good for creative people with a keen eye for style and fashion. You can start a fashion blog and start making money online by following our guide. 2. Food blogs. Food blogs are another popular blog type. It attracts a lot of readers who are interested in recipes, ingredients, healthy eating, fine dining, and other food-related stories. Many food bloggers just start with something as simple as their local restaurant reviews. However, as their blog grows, so does their interests and target audience. They start covering other food-related topics as well. Take a look at our guide on how to start a food blog. 3. Travel blogs. Travel blogs are becoming more popular each day. Due to cheap air travel, people are traveling more than ever, and they are always looking for travel tips, advice, and destination guides. These blogs make it easy for other travelers to learn about a destination they have never been to. If you are a traveler, then we recommend you to create your travel blog. 4. Music blogs. Music blogs has a wide audience who search for critiques on the best and trending music. Music lovers enjoy songs from different languages, cultures, and norms. The music industry has big potential for bloggers to write about different types of music like jazz, pop, heavy metal, famous singers, and more. 5. Lifestyle blogs. Lifestyle blogs are the most popular type of blogs you can find online. They have a variety of readers, interested in topics ranging from culture, arts, local news, and politics. This gives the blogger a wide range of topics to cover, making it easier to plan their content strategy. Lifestyle bloggers get opportunities to be an influencer, write for other publications, become a speaker, and partner with businesses who are working to make a difference in the society. 6. Fitness blogs. Fitness blogs has been a hot trend since they cover important topics like health and general fitness. People all over the world rely on the internet to seek advice on how to stay fit. It's a great opportunity for fitness instructors to start a fitness blog and get clients online. These types of bloggers, instructors write about diets, diet plans, workouts, supplements, and more. Fitness bloggers can also create video content to explain different exercises to their audience. They can monetize their website and videos using Google AdSense and affiliate marketing. Hope you enjoy this video. If you like, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. I upload video on daily basis. See you in next video. Thanks for watching.